Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change wait time for connection at startup on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu and then go to preferences. Here, we need to go over to the network. Let me go to the network. And here scroll down until we see wait time for connection at startup. Here we can change it from 0 seconds to 300 seconds. So it's 5 minutes. And that's basically how we can do that. We can put, let's say, 300 seconds in and we can subtract those seconds from here by clicking. So now we can just apply the setting and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.